Hey guys, Daniel Mar 1228 here, and so far I've been using iOS 13 on my iPhone 6s for about a week. It's on 13.1 right now, and so far I really like it. I'm a fan of the new editing features on the Photos app. I am a fan of the more organized Reminders app, even though I don't really get what the flag thing is. I'm a huge fan of the dark mode, and I really like the title font on the Notes app now, so it looks a lot more professional now, which is good. So overall I like it. There are a couple things I do dislike about iOS 13, but I'm not going to get into them now because that's not what this video is about. This video, we're going to be updating my iPad Pro 10.5 inch to iPadOS. So this is interesting because I thought iPadOS was coming September 30th, but if you look, it's only September 26th. So I guess it came early, I'm not sure. But yep, let's get ready to update the iPad Pro 10.5 inch to iPadOS. Here we go. So this is what the iPad Pro 10.5 inch looks like on iOS 12. Well, now as you can see, we're getting ready to go to iPadOS 13.1, which is interesting. We're skipping, looks like we're skipping 13.0, or if that already came out, I'm not sure, but 13.1, now that's cool. So I'm really looking forward to the new Safari. We're going to get the Mac version of Safari. I'm hoping the new Apple Maps works on my iPad Pro because it didn't work on my iPhone 6s. And you know, there's definitely a couple other things. It's going to have a more professional interface, it seems. There's going to be new multitasking features. So yeah, it's definitely going to be a much better update. So yeah, here we go. Goodbye to iOS 12. And we are getting ready to install iPadOS 13.1. And it's going to be a while. So that'll be it for now. Almost there. Certainly going by a lot quicker than I thought. This is just a minute later. Alright, I'm charging the iPad because we all know how iOS updates really shrink the battery. So we're almost there. And install now. And the update is verifying. So be back in a sec. So here's the iPad updating. It'll be a while, so I'm not going to do what I did last time and film the entire thing in time-lapse because I don't have anything to hold my iPhone. So next update, it should be getting closer to when it's ready. So that'll be it for now. See you guys. Alright, so as you can see, we are almost there, I think. So it's 5:56 p.m. That was pretty quick, actually. I was expecting it to take like 30 minutes. It only took like less than 15 minutes. I said continue. Oh, I see. And here we go. Look at that. I already can see the difference. There we go. Look at that. See, the app icons are smaller because there's more room. Wow, so this is awesome. So the Photos app still looks the same, but obviously we click edit and loading photo and all. Yep, I have the same options like I would on my iPhone, which is pretty neat. So got the editing options. You have all these new color options or whatever, like, and of course the brightness, contrast, like those seem to be new. So there's that. But other than that, the photo app still looks the same. So here's an example of the multitasking. So as you can see, I have iMovie right there, but I have the Photos app right there. But see, I open it like that, there's Safari. So that's the new multitasking features they have. This is not anywhere near where I live, but I honestly can't seem to find that new Street View feature on Apple Maps, but hopefully I'll find it somewhere. I'll have to make another video about that. Now you can get the full version of Safari on iOS. This is the same MacBook version. Look at that, there's new dynamic wallpapers. I mean, these are the old ones right here, but they have new ones. That's interesting. I'll have to try them out. And of course, you got the new iOS 13 ones. Let's see what this does. Add to home screen. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, so they have all the news right there. Okay, that's pretty cool. So overall, very impressed with this update. So, gonna do a little bit of a review a little afterwards. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed. That's it. See you guys.